Cooks add cooked noodles into a baking pan. Now I'm using 500 grams of cooked noodles here, and you're just going to spread well all over the baking pan. Next, you're going to add 1 chopped tomato, add 1 chopped yellow bell pepper, add 1 red bell pepper, half a cucumber, 1 chopped red onion, and then finish with parsley to taste. You can add as much or as little as you like. Now you're going to add shredded cheese. Oh, this recipe is so delicious. And you can substitute grated cheese for shredded if you prefer. I kind of prefer the diced cheese because I think it kind of has a bit more flavor, but that's just me. Now set aside to prepare your sauce. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a bowl. You can substitute oil for olive oil if you prefer. Now add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard. Also add half of a squeezed lemon. And 1 teaspoon of oregano. Same amount of salt. And then finish with 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now just mix really well. This sauce is very, very tasty. And after finishing, you're going to add the sauce over your noodles. Now with the help of a spatula, just mix everything really well. You will not regret making this recipe at home. This recipe is so wonderful. It's super fast, and you don't have to make a lot of mess in your kitchen. So this is the result that we are looking for. It is absolutely delicious pasta. This pasta is so very good. It's a favorite of mine. It's excellent for a family lunch. You can serve it on a plate. Call your family, call your friends. Shall we try it? How delicious.